Hey guys, it's Sheree and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I wanted to do this before I showered and washed my face, just so you guys could see what it actually looks like beforehand. So I'm going to be looking at my face under the microscope, and we're going to see if this Biore, the blackhead strip, if it works on my nose. Because when I first got this microscope, I looked at my nose and I saw that it was looking crazy. So I'm gonna try this out and see if these actually work and see what it looks like and everything. So I wanted to do this, the first thing to do, I wanted to show what my face looked like before I got in the shower and applied this, obviously, so you guys can see the before and afters. So if you guys want to see what this looks like, I know it might be gross, but I'm really curious to see what it looks like. So then keep on watching. I have to do this with my glasses on because I can't see. Alright. Oh my god, you could see all those white heads. And keep in mind, I did not wash my face or anything. Look at that. I'm gonna turn my nose. Oh my goodness. What is that little red thing? Why does it look like I have a thread coming out of my nose? Dang, as you guys can see, I have a lot of whiteheads. And you guys might think my nose has a lot of the whiteheads, but oh shit, look how crazy. But in reality, I do have freckles, so the freckles under the microscope kind of look a little different to me. So that's that. So you could see by the crease of my nose, that's where I have the most. Let's show the other side. Ew! What is that? So my nose is looking a little crazy. I'm hoping, oh, maybe you can see that. I'm hoping this black strip, oh, that looks like it hurts. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at all that gunk. Oh my god. So keep in mind that I haven't washed my face. I took off my makeup with the makeup wipe last night, so I haven't washed it. I haven't done one of these strips in a little while, so hopefully this cleans my nose, and we're gonna see how clean my nose is after this, and then I'm gonna show what the strip looks like too and everything. So I'm just gonna go hop in the shower just to get the warm water to open up my pores so I can actually get all of it. I'm hoping, because that's what they say to do. Well, it says to use warm water, but I know when you get in the shower, it's a better off chance of them opening. So I have to get in the shower anyway, so might as well do it. I'll be back and we'll swing. Alrighty, so I just got out the shower and I'm just going to apply the Biore strip. So you have to wet your nose and then you apply it. You guys probably already know how to apply it, but it tells you on the box. So I'm just going to wet my nose with this. Oh shit. You gotta wet it pretty good. It's all dripping down my face. Okay, so you peel off your Biore strip, and let's see. I'm gonna get close just so I could see because I don't have my glasses on. Make sure you go inside here. And I like to get it really wet because it gives you a chance to move it around. And when it's a little drier, it's harder to do that. Make sure it's everywhere. Press it in. So it says I have to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. I'm just gonna leave it on until I think it's dry. I'm not gonna really time it, but yeah. Alright, so the thing is dry now and I'm just gonna peel it off and hopefully it worked. This actually really hurts trying to take these off. Ooh, this hurts. Ooh, right here. Ooh. I'm literally almost about to cry. Restart, because I wasn't recording. Whoa, okay. Where'd that go? This thing is so hard to control, so... Let's see, you can see some skin right there. There you are. I think those white flakes are like my skin. So there are some whiteheads. Now let's look at my nose because that's what I wanted to see the most. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it doesn't look bad. So I think this looks so gross, but this is like on the side of my nose and I think it's just the black stuff from the peel. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me get closer. Yeah, you see how there's black stuff right there from the peel? That's what that is. Who is that? So definitely my skin does look dry. I don't know why it looks kind of, well actually it looks kind of oily and dry at the same time. Like look at that, like my skin looks so dry. So that's more of like the blackhead peel. I'm gonna go rinse. I think I'm gonna rinse my nose just so we don't mistake that for blackheads. So give me 1 second. Alright, so my nose is now cleaned off. So now let's take another look. It actually looks pretty good. Other than my skin being a little dry, it looks good. You can see like all my hairs. And let's go to this side. I'm gonna turn my nose a little to the side. Look, there's still some in my nose. Oh my god, do you guys see that? That is so gross. So there's still some on the side of this nose. On the side of this nose, just on the side of the nose. But let's see this side. This side looks pretty clean, but let me get in the crease. Oh, what is that? Definitely some stuff there. This thing's so hard to control. Sorry guys. So I don't know, does it look better? Or keep in mind I washed my face and then I put this on. So honestly, to me, I feel like it didn't do much. So I'm kind of shook. Those things are pretty expensive too for it not doing all of the work that you think it's doing. So I don't know, I think that's crazy, like how we believe it actually does work. But under this microscope, you could still see I still had some gunk up on the corners of my nose. So, let me know what you guys think about it, and yeah. So I believe it took off some of like the whiteheads that I had, but definitely not all because there are still some there. This is going to be the end of this video. Please leave your comments down below of what you think about this video, and also you could give me suggestion video ideas and I will be sure to look at them. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!